multiply 4x plus 8 over 6x minus 3x. (3x² times 3x² minus 4x minus 4 over 9x² minus 4. So now our first step is to factor out completely in the numerator and in the denominator. So in the numerator, here we have 4x plus 8, so we could factor out 4 from each term. So we have 4 times x plus 2 divided by, here we have 6x and 3x squared, so we could factor out 3 from each term. So we get 3 times 2x, we could factor out 3x from each term. So we have 3x times 2 minus x. I think it would be better if we factor out a negative 3x. So we have negative 2 plus x. Now we'll just keep it as 3x. So times here, we have 3x² minus 4x minus 4. So we're going to use the FOIL method. So we'll just write that up here. Here we have x², so we can write x in both of our first terms. And we have 3, so we have 3. So now we're going to find multiples of negative 4. So it's negative 4 times 1, negative 1 times 4, negative 2 times 2, and the same. So now let's try negative 2 times 2. So here we have negative 2 plus 2. So now we're going to add our outside and inside terms. So here we have 6x minus plus 2x, negative 2x, equals 4x. So that's not it. So we're going to reverse it and write 3x plus 2 times x minus 2. So now we have negative 6x plus 2x. So that's negative 4x. So this is our multiples. So it's going to be 3x plus 2 times x minus 2. And in our denominator, we have 9x² minus 4. Well, we can see that we have the difference of two squares. The square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of 4 is 2. So we can rewrite this. So using the difference, we have 3x² minus 2 squared. So now we have 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2. So now let's just rewrite this. 4x plus 2 times 3x, 2 minus x, times 3x plus 2 times x minus 2 divided by 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2. So now we can cancel out our like terms in the numerator and in the denominator. So here we have 3x plus 2 divided by 3x plus 2 is 1. Here we have x minus 2 divided by 2x, 2 minus x. So we can cross cancel that, and it becomes a negative 1. we're going to multiply it by a -1 so that we could change the direction of the sign. And so now what we're left with is 4 times x plus 2 times 1 times -1. So we have -4 times x plus 2 over 3x times 3x minus 2. So that's our answer.